before I became a member of the Doring Group staff, as a private citizen in Ellensburg, traveled to Olympia to give testimony when they first introduced the Gay Civil Rights Bill, 1977. I wrote 10 pages of typewritten testimony about why discriminating against gays was damaging to society as well as to them, and shouldn't be tolerated and shouldn't be perpetuated. And then after being hired by the Doring Group, I went through years as associated with them, and later was president of the group and a board member and such. But what are we doing with the bill this year? We've got an initiative coming up. Do we dare push the bill in the legislature? Isn't it just going to draw attention and draw fire because of this anti-gay initiative that's percolating out there? Or because of what's happening in response to the King County move to have non-discrimination, and somebody's getting a referendum petition about that, and so on and so forth. So we were always having to ask the question of, do we push the bill or not? Some years it was just kept quiet, other years it was pushed some, and finally we got people like Cal Anderson being a member of the legislature, and things started to change. But I'm proud to say that I was in the Senate gallery when in 29 years later, the Senate voted in favor of that gay civil rights bill, and it then was ready to go to the governor for her signature. And so I was there at the start and there at the finish, and there throughout quite a lot of it. And we thought that our civil rights depended on non-discrimination. If we could get people to not allow that private punishment of gay and lesbian people that comes when someone says, well, I've got a job, but I'm not going to let you have it even though you're qualified for it because you are immoral, in my opinion. So long as we took away that power, so that they could not, without some penalty or some scrutiny, deny people who are qualified for jobs because of their sexual orientation.